Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with Khushi. I am Khushi from Uttar Pradesh. This is day 17 my English speaking practice. So let's start together. Guys, honestly I am not very well today, but I promised to be consistent daily. I am sitting on the ground and practicing English in front of camera. Guys, I had a fever. I told in my study video, but I don't miss my blog. Wait guys, I am feeling thirsty now. So I am drinking the water. Now I am sipping the water. Now I am gulping it. I am swallowing it. I finished 1 glass of water. Sipping का मतलब होता है when we drink slowly, drop by drop, it is sipping. Gulping का मतलब होता है when we drink very fast, it is gulping. और swallowing का मतलब होता है when the drink goes down my throat, it is called swallowing. मतलब जब पानी गले से नीचे जाता है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं swallowing. You know guys, I am little hungry, but I don't eat because I have an ulcer. I told in my study video I am eating only liquid food like milk, khichdi, but today I am not eating anything because today it's paining a lot and I don't like anything. You know guys, my little brother is very naughty and today my mom is scolding my brother, and that time it's very serious moment.